Hey, so I'm making a really quick video tutorial on Screencast, and I'm actually using Screencast right now because I've gotten a lot of questions about it. And I'm going to show you how to use it. So just go to their website, screencastomatic.com, and then you're going to click on Start Recording. And then you're going to click on Launch Recorder. I'm not going to click on Launch Recorder because I think it might start over the video that I'm doing right now. But I'm going to use this over here as an example. So see this black and white dashed box. Whatever, that's going to pop up on your screen, and whatever is inside that box is going to record. So this box is also going to open up, and you can choose to record just your screen. You can choose to just record your face, or you can choose to record both, which is the option that I chose. And then at the very bottom, there's going to be a little bitty button that says record. So once you're ready to start, you're going to click on that button, and it's going to count down 3, 2, 1, and then it will start. So whatever, just remember, whatever's in that box is going to show. So let's just pretend like I had a contract I wanted to show someone. I could start at the beginning, explain it to my client, blah, 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 this is that, yada, 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 sign the paper already. And when you're done, that little red button that said record, it's going to actually be a blue button that has the pause button on it. So you're going to click that now. When you click on that, then it's going to ask you, what do you want to do with this video? Do you want to upload it to YouTube? Do you want to download it to your computer? So I chose the option of uploading to YouTube because it was faster, and then I just shared that link with my client. And literally, that's it. It's super, super, super easy. And I can think of a ton of other ways we could use this. And that's my lamb crying right now. Okay, so make sure you don't have one of those crying in the background when you make your video. I hope this helps. If you need some more individualized help, I'd be more than happy to meet with you and show you how to use it. Bye.